Hello guys, this is Pilgrim. Really an open RPG world game and very good. How to get gems? Very easy to get. Just if you see a meteor falling off the sky, just defeat it and you'll get different gems. This is the best gems. Blood gem. But you can use frost gem. Frost gem. This is the word, but this is, I call this common. No, it's just rare. And this is, epic. Epic. It's so very good. But there is one. This. This is so bad. Worse as hell. But this is common. Like it's very common. So don't use like him. It's so bad. It's so bad. The Jumbat makes you faster to fight. But if you are gonna use Rock Wando, just use Fire Gem because of its damage. You have big damage, good damage. But if you try wanna wombo combo the enemy, just do like this. 3 M1s. And like that, wombo. Adjust my wombo combo of the Rock Wando. It's bad combo, but you sure you have your own combo. This is accurate the metal bow, but I don't have any arrows on this accurate the metal bow, great bow. But it's good to use. This bow can be seen in volcano. It's really easy to get, and this is Aga and Megatoma. This weapon can only get if you defeat Granny in that strange chance. Very easy, just on the volcano. I'm gonna show you guys where to find Granny. It's a very easy to find. Just go in here and what the hell? And just go in here. Just go in here and now just go in here. You'll find strange chance, a new area. Now this is not an area, an early area. This is where you can find Granny. I just follow him. This is why I get the Megaton Mine. Very easy to get. But just watch out when he does the rolling thing and the one damage that is stomping maybe and just punching. That is the high damage, and the rolling thingy, the parry, just all the gems in here. There is so many gems that you can find in Pilgrim. As such, Frost Gem, Blood Gem, Fire Gem, and I have this gem maybe as an explosive gem, charm, but I don't have charm gem, and the one thing that starts in I forget what it's called. I forget what is called the one gem. Magic gem can only use by 6-shooter. 6-shooter are very hard to get. But it's really hard because you need to go to observatory. To get in Egros Observatory, you need to get on Sinister Sea. But first thing first, you need to go in forest and take safe, but you can go in savannah too. But you can't see the sailor. is an hard boss that you can defeat, but you can get his weapons maybe. And this guy, we're gonna give you a quest as Marometro. This is verified 6-shooter. Hey, are you interested in some of our latest cutting-edge products? You won't find this anywhere. That's so true. Those so true, that's for true. Let's look at this first. This is where you find 6-shooters. Unit, piercing bullets and flintlock. Like that. Flintlock and piercing bullets. But unit 1500 G as a goal. To get 6-shooter unit flintlock, there's only one, and piercing blue bullets, only one, and unit 15 sulfur and 3 emerald, just like that. But if you want to get venom bullets, it's good for damaging the Mondo Squid and Old Fort. But Old Fort is a hard boss that are so strong, but you can find the boss Old Fort in the Morning Hollow. But I don't know where is the guide to go to the Morning Hollow, but I cannot find anything. But it's easy to find. I know that it's just easy to find, but me, I always get lost, like this. If you wanna get 6-shooter, just find these materials that you need. And this is all he have in his first 6-shooters, cannon, Renator, overforce, scalp. I know I have scalp, but I don't remember what is that. Caustic fang, bullet, venom bullets, scary boots, freeze flame gauntlet, sniper scope, titan brace, sanguine ring, Nazar, swarm ring, vision goggles, watchword. That is all that I can say, but just find what I'm talking about to the last time because I don't know. So bye, see you in the another video again. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Please comment down below and share this video for new content like that. So bye, see you in the next video.